Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 12 and we are going to present about our company, which is Sweet Treats.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. We are from the introduction our business project Sweet Treats and Dessert Business founded by 5 students from University Malaysia Kelantan. The idea behind this business comes from our shared passion, our desire and our ambition to explore international shit we still studying. As students, we often found it hard to get delicious and affordable sweet snack around campus. We realized here was a gap in the market and decided to turn that opportunity into a real business. That how Sweet Dream was born, a student-run dessert shop offering tasty, affordable, and halal contribution treat. We started small by selling brownies, cookies, and pudding through social media and pop-up boards. That to the positive response, we expanded our product began catering from student event of festive occasion. This report is the result of our effort to fight that issue. In document our 2-month business transition and including ledger, trial balance, income statement, and balance sheet. By applying accounting principle, we gain a clear picture of our business final healthy. In short, Sweet Team is not just about selling dessert, it's about learning, growing, and turning our academic knowledge into real life experience. We hope our junior inspire our other young entrepreneurs to take the lead and start their own venture.
Next, I would like to present the background of our business, Sweet Treats. Sweet Treats was officially established on 20 May 2021. The company was founded by 5 partners with diverse strengths, namely Encik Haziq Luqman bin Hisham, Encik Muhammad Hafizuddin Haziq bin Rusli, Cik Farah Aliya Izzati bin Ahmad Sabri, Cik Nuraina Yasmin binti Zulfaiz, dan Cik Nuraina Fatihah binti Nazri. The name of our company is Sweet Treats, which reflect our core business of offering a wide range of delicious and high-quality desserts. Our business logo also highlights the identity of Sweet Treats, symbolizing sweetness and fun. The brown color represents warmth and deliciousness, while the elegant script font make the brand name memorable. We are located in Kota Baru, Kelantan, which is a strategic location due to its proximity to tourist spots. This gives our business strong potential to grow in the local street food market. Sweet Treat also operates as a partnership business with 5 co-founders. Each partner takes on a specific role such as managing director, financial manager, operation manager, marketing manager, and sales executive. This structure allows us to share ideas, capital, and responsibilities. All decisions are made through collaborative discussion, giving us the flexibility to adapt quickly to market demands. Lastly, our business focuses on producing and selling a wide variety of premium desserts, including cakes, cream puff, pastries, and candies. We aim to cater to various customer preferences and build a strong reputation in the competitive dessert market.
So we move on to organizational part. So director manager first. The role of a director manager is to lead, supervise, and motivate employees toward accomplishing organizational goals both effectively and also efficiently. Next, we have finance manager. So the primary role of a finance manager is to manage the financial health of an organization by planning, organizing, and also controlling all financial activities. Financial activities include budgeting, forecasting, preparing financial reports, and also managing cash flows and compliance with financial regulations and laws. Next, we have operation manager. So an operation manager manages the daily activities of an organization to prepare operations smoothly, efficiently, and also productively. Marketing manager is responsible for developing and also executing marketing plans to promote a company's goods and also services. Responsibility includes market research and also consumer analysis and managing of advertising campaigns and other brand position efforts. Last but not least, we have sales executive. So the job of sales executive is important to the business in generating revenue, as they are responsible for selling the product or service the customers or sales executive identities potential clients to whom they present an offering often a proposal, then negotiate and close the deal. In addition, the sales executive must maintain good relationship in the market, as well as follow up on potential leads and work to meet or exceed sales goals.
My name name is Hafizuddin Haziq bin Rusli. My metric number is A24A3458. This part, I would like to tell about introduction of product. All our products are 100% halal. We make sure every ingredient we use, like chocolate, butter and flavouring, is halal certificate, so Muslim customer can enjoy our dessert without worry. Here is our main product. The first is signature chocolate brownies. Our brownies are rich, chewy and made with good ingredients. They come in fun flavour like salted caramel, Nutella and peanut butter. Each one is packed nicely, perfect for gift and event. The second is mini cheesecakes. They are small, creamy and have a crunchy base. We use halal cream cheese and topping like blueberry, strawberry and chocolate. They are great for parties and special occasions. The third is layered dessert cup. This cup have layer of cakes, mouse and topping. They look beautiful and taste amazing. Popular flavor include tiramisu, Oreo, mango cheesecake and pandan gula melaka. And the last is premium soft cookies. Our cookies are soft inside and slightly crispy outside. We offer flavor like chocolate, red velvet, matcha and biscoff. They are great as snack or gift. All our desserts are 100% halal, freshly made, in small batch, packed nicely and can be customized, affordable and tasty. So that's all about introduction of product.
Before we look into the official statements and entries, we would like to show you our unofficial bookkeeping of January and February 2024 transaction list. Now, I would like to show you our calculation for our monthly depreciation, our interest of bank loan, and our provision of doubtful debts. Our calculation for depreciation includes our fixed assets of machinery, vehicle, and office equipment. Our calculation for interest of bank loan is at the rate of 4%. And lastly, our calculation for doubtful debts is against our debtor Razak Holding, which we concluded that Razak Holdings may be a risky debtor. Here's a quick summary of the transaction listing for Sweet Treats Sdn Bhd for the period of January to February 2024. This report includes all key financial transactions from bank, cash, sales, purchases, and general journal entries. The total sales recorded were 16,675 ringgit, with 8,975 ringgit coming from cash sales. There were also sales returns amounting to 875 ringgit. The company's bank activity totaled to 70,662 ringgit, which includes payment for purchases, wages, utilities, and other operating expense. Major expense include salaries of 2,000 ringgit, direct labor, packaging, rent, and other operating costs. Purchases totaled to 8,000 ringgit. There were returns of 350 ringgit, mainly involving supplier Rozana Sdn Bhd. Overall, the business shows healthy activity with consistent income and proper accounting practice, including accruals, depreciation, and provision for doubtful debts. Now, I'll be giving a quick summary of the standard ledger for Sweet Treats Sdn Bhd covering from January to February 2024. This ledger records all accounts and their balances, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Some key highlights: opening capital was 20,000 ringgit and the retained earnings were 9,000 ringgit Malaysia. Main income came from sales totaling to 57,697 ringgit with 66 cents. There were sales return of 875 ringgit, reducing the net value slightly. Purchase during the period total to 6,000 ringgit, mostly from Rozana Sdn Bhd. Main expenses included salaries of 2,000 ringgit for 2 months, labor, cooking gas, packaging, decorative items for the product, utilities and depreciation expense. Accruals were recorded for rent, salary, advertising, maintenance and more, showing proper accounting treatment. Overall, the ledger is balanced with a grand total of 144,514 ringgit and 32 cents for both debits and credits, indicating all transactions have been properly recorded.
My name is Hafizuddin Haziq bin Rusli. My metric number is A24A3458. Here a quick summary of Sweet Treats Sdn Bhd performance for January and February 2024. Sale increased from 33,175 in January to 57,698 in February, showing a growth 74%. Sales return remained the same at 875 for both months, which gives us net sale of 32,300 in January and 56,823 in February. Cost of sale from 90,220 to 32,675, but gross profit margin improved slightly from 39% to 41%, which is a good sign of efficiency. Operating expenses increased a little from 10,536 in January to 12,373 in February. Sales remained our bigger cost at 10,000. February had a few new spend items like advertising, postage and general expenses. Meanwhile, January showed an unusual negative rental of minus 650, which may be due to an adjustment or rebate. Finally, our net profit grew from 2,544 in January to 11,775 in February, making an impressive 363% increase. Overall, February was a strong month of us, which better sell, stronger margin and controlled expenses. So net here is a snapshot of Sweet Treats Berhad financial position comparing January and February 2024. Total asset increased from 50,872 in January to 69,431 in February. There is a significant 36% growth. The biggest boost come from current asset, especially cash at bank, which rose by 14,573. Inventory and trade debtor also slightly improved. On the liability side, current liability decreased by 2,620, improving our net current asset. Next, our return earning increased by 9,231, driven by higher profit in February, 11,775 compared to just 2,544 in January. We also secure a 10,000 notes payable in February, reflected under long-term liability. Overall, February shows strong financial health with a better liquidity and higher returning earning. Okay, last from me, here is a trivalent for Sweet Treats Berhad, February 29, 2024. Total debit and total credit are balanced at 155,525 ringgit, 32%, confirming accurate bookkeeping. On credit side, we see major entries like capital 2,000, returning earning 9,000 and a bill loan 18,656, trade creditor 2,650 and the strong sale revenue of 57,698. The debit side reflect our asset position. Cash at bank 35,753, cash at hand 13,375, machine, vehicle and office equipment. Inventory movement is tracked with opening 6,000 and closing 250 balance, alongside key purchase and return. Operating expenses like direct labor, packaging, utility, depreciation and salary are all recorded, with salary being the highest at 10,000. Overall, this trial balance gives us a detailed picture of the company financial activity in February, laying the groundwork for the income statement and balance sheet.
Next, we move on to the business performance overview. First, revenue performance. Sweet Treats reported a total revenue of 25,000 ringgit comprising cash sales and also credit sales. So, this shows the business capacity to engage both immediate paying and credit trusting customers. The dual channel systems demonstrate an effective marketing, customer trust, and also adaptability in payment options. Sales were made across a variety of products, which is cookies, dessert, cupes, cheesecakes, brownies, indicating that Sweet Treats meets current market demand with its offering. Next is cost goods of sold. The total COGS incurred was 8,500 ringgit, which includes ingredients, packaging, and also production-related miscellaneous costs. Gross profit is around like 60,500 ringgit and gross profit margin around 66%. This high gross profit margin reflects efficient procurement of raw materials, optimized production process, strong pricing strategy. For net profit calculation, it's about around to 25,000 ringgit and Total will be 9,500 ringgit. So a net profit will give you a 38%. This is a strong net profit margin, especially over a short 2-month period, demonstrating which solid business strategy, effective cost management, market responsiveness. So as a conclusion, Sweet Treats' financial performance in January to February 2025 reflects healthy revenue generation, cost-efficient operations, proper accounting practices, depreciation, doubtful debts, a net profit of 9,500 profitable and sustainability. With continued strategies of sales and financial discipline, Sweet Treats is well positioned for long-term success and expansion.
Next, I will highlighting 3 key areas for improvement in our business, Sweet Treats, to support future growth and competitiveness. Firstly, we recommend improving quality management and operation standards. Although our products are tasty and well liked by customers, we need to focus on consistency, especially in terms of taste, portion of size, packaging, and presentation. To achieve this, we should establish clear standard operation procedures (SOP) for every part of the operations, such as ingredients preparations, storage, and delivery timelines. This helps ensure product quality is maintained even if the business expands. At the same time, it builds customer trust and satisfaction through reliable product standards. Secondly, we suggest a more aggressive digital marketing strategy. While the product quality is high and the demand exists, we need to increase our visibility, especially on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. We can post product making videos, customer testimonials, and seasonal promotions to attract attention. To retain our regular buyers, we should introduce loyalty programs. Additionally, working with local influencers can help us reach a wider audience and strengthen brand awareness. Thirdly, we propose focusing on product innovation. To keep the brand fresh and exciting, Sweet Treats can release limited edition desserts during festive seasons, such as Hari Raya or New Year. We can also offer customization options like personalized messages, decorative elements, or gift packaging. This strategy can attract both new and loyal customers who are looking for unique and memorable desserts experiences.
Now, let's move on to the 5 examples of source documents for the 2 months transactions. Here you can see the official documents of payment voucher and official receipt of our company Sweet Treats Sendirian Berhad. Here you can see the invoice document and the quotation for finished goods document. Lastly, here is an example of a document used for purchase return.
Next to conclusion, Sweet Treats showcase student entrepreneurship combination, passion, and business knowledge. And next, business demonstration, strong final performance is positive net profit in 2 months. Apply property accountant to ledger trial balance income statement balance sheet. And next, gain real world inquiries in managing sales, cost, and final records. Recommended improve SOPs, enhance digital marketing and innovation season product. The product brings theory and practical, developing entrepreneurial and teamwork skill. And next, Sweet Treats has stronger potential with continued management and innovation.